Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to see what your acceptance rate is in Skip the Dishes. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Skip the Dishes application if you haven't already. And after opening up the application guys, go ahead and log into your account and then you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all your orders, you can see your restaurants you can order from and so on. So guys, to be able to see your acceptance rate, first you have to work as a delivery driver. So if you're not already a delivery driver, you can become one by clicking the profile icon right here in the upper right corner. And after clicking the upper right corner, guys, you can scroll down until you find this option to drive with Skip. So go ahead and open that up, guys, and connect with your account and become a delivery driver. So guys, now when you start becoming a delivery driver and you work as one and you do some orders, they will appear right here in the bottom right corner where you will have the order section where you can accept what orders you want to do and deliver. So once an order pops up guys, and after you have done more than 10 orders, you will see what your delivery rate acceptance is, and it will look like something like this. Once you get a new offer guys, it will show you what your acceptance rate is. As you can see, it says right here acceptance rate 50%, as you will be able to see right here. But yeah guys, basically when you want to see it, you just have to go ahead and get a new offer so that you will be able to see your acceptance rate. But that's how to do it guys. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.